Welcome to the Platform video tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the platform's flexible solution to video commerce and how the solution gives media managers more control over how they merchandise, market, and monetize video content. It's built to support a variety of commerce strategies and can be used as a complete platform or customized to enhance existing systems. Let's take a look at some of the key features to video commerce. Flexible pricing lets you set multi-variable pricing terms to any product or product bundle. These pricing templates offer multi-currency support, can model multiple pricing periods, discount offerings, and can be geared for specific consumer access rights and restrictions. Advanced merchandising options help you to optimize your merchandising strategies with customized pricing templates, flexibility in how you bundle media, and support for multiple languages. Video commerce is fully integrated with MPX. You can create products within the same ingest and publish framework as media. It provides another layer of metadata within the MPX console, improving the control you have over the content and enabling you to get more value out of your video management solution. We offer complete billing, taxation, and order fulfillment services that support different ways to pay, like credit card through PayFlow Pro and Add to My Bill. Or custom adapters can be created to plug into preferred partners or parts of your own billing system. Additionally, we offer built-in customer service features that give administrators the ability to check order history on users, issue refunds, revocation, or even appeasements, all done directly through the MPX console. And lastly, a read-only ledger service provides an API that can be used to query orders by user, product, transaction type, payment instrument, and much more. The platform designed video commerce to be a flexible solution so you can monetize and manage your products in the way that best fits your organization's workflow. There are two sides to video commerce. The presentation side is powered by the product data service and includes tools used to define a product catalog. The checkout side is powered by the commerce service, and this is where orders are created, committed, fulfilled, and managed. The product data service encapsulates all the information about how products are constructed and presented for sale. This is where the product definitions are stored, what items they contain, the cost, and how a purchaser may consume them. And the service makes them available for display in a storefront catalog. The main components consist of product tags, which allow product managers to categorize products or define product labels and their context within offers. Account settings are where you can control account level settings, such as supported payment types and the default pricing template to use. Pricing templates, where you model time-based pricing rules, content rights, and categorization. And the products model, which is the union of a pricing plan, based on a pricing template, and a single or bundle of media items to be sold, bound by an offer start and end date. The feed shell will ensure the storefront stays current. This is a high-performance feeds interface on the product data service. On the checkout side, we have a storefront web service that is designed to make development of storefront websites or apps straightforward. The storefront web service provides access to the following commerce functions. Calling the checkout API from the storefront provides discrete functions that support the creating and completing of orders. The platform provides a default checkout provider, but commerce supports customization to replace the entire checkout function with your own provider. The order function manages the data involved in an order, so what products were ordered, how it was paid for, etc. Promotions are handled on a custom basis, and you can contact your account manager if you need support. The tax function supports sales tax scenarios by the way of external providers. If needed, we can build custom tax adapters to support additional providers. The address function stores addresses related to payment instruments. The payment function manages payment instruments and conducts payment operations via a payment gateway. The payment types supported include credit cards and charge data record, or CDR capture. The fulfillment function is responsible for enabling the viewing of content once a payment is confirmed for an order. Custom fulfillment adapters can be created to hook into external fulfillment systems. And then our ledger service is a read-only data service you can use as a tool for reporting all financial transactions related to orders, payment, fulfillments, refunds, etc. Now let's move on to the demo portion, which will be presented by Dave Brown, our Technical Program Manager for Video Commerce at the platform.
Hello, my name is David Brown, and I'm the Technical Program Manager for Video Commerce here at the platform. I'm going to spend a few minutes and give you a guided tour of the MPX console so you can learn how the various objects inside the product data service are put together to create offerings for your storefront. Let's take a look at product tags. As you can see from the display here, I have a number of product tags that are separated with a scheme and a title. We use this flexible tagging mechanism to enable us to do traditional categorization of our products, such as styles and genres, editorial picks. We can also use them as hints to the storefront user experience to know where to place products, such as in the sales section, the back catalog section, or the new releases section. We can also use product tags to trigger business logic in the commerce stack so that when users check out, those tags can be checked against real-time decisions, such as their subscription level or the type of device that they're on. You're free to create as many product tags as you like, with whatever scheme and title that best suits your business. Let's take a look at pricing templates. Pricing templates are designed to model the contract terms that you have with your content providers. In this example, I have a variety of pricing templates for a variety of different sales scenarios, such as pay-per-view events, perpetual sale of back catalogs. But let's take a look at the standard contract terms that I have with my fictitious content provider XYZ. As you can see, we provide a title and a description. This is for your product managers to understand a brief overview of the pricing template. And in this particular example, tax is included in the pricings that we're going to offer. A pricing template is made up of pricing tiers. And pricing tiers can either be relative pricing tiers or exception pricing tiers. Remember, at this point, we're only creating a template. We will later attach this template to a product, and the pricing template will become a concrete pricing plan, and absolute dates will be filled into that pricing plan. But for now, we'll look at the relative and exception pricing tiers. In this example, I have two relative tiers. The first one has a 2-month duration, and the second one has a 10-month duration. In the 2-month duration pricing tier, I offer this base pricing in different currencies. In this example, euros, Swedish krona, and US dollars. I'm not applying any pricing discount at the moment, and I am attaching a 48-hour rental rights object. And I'm going to use product tags to give a hint to my storefront that the products that are using this pricing tier should be placed into the new releases section. I can also check the do not allow purchase button and provide a blackout for my product. If I go look at the second tier, you'll notice that even though the base pricing is the same, I've applied a 20% pricing discount, and I've kept the rights the same. You may wish to change your rights here so that you can perhaps give a longer rental as your product life cycle moves on and this product becomes a mid or back catalog object. Now in my storefront, I always have a sale in January, so I can create an exception pricing tier, and in this particular example, I offer a 50% pricing discount. So that's a pricing template. You'll set as many of these up as you have distinct contracts or terms of contracts with your content providers. Next, we'll see how we attach a pricing template to a product and market the product on our storefront. Let's move on to see how we model products inside MPX. In this view, you can see I'm offering a number of products on my storefront, and let's drill down into a product that's called Arthur. We have a title, we have a description and a long description. The globe here tells us that we can create internationalized text for these descriptions to put on storefronts in different regions in the world. This product is approved, which means that it will surface inside product feeds ready to be placed upon your storefront. This product is utilizing the pricing template that we looked at in the previous view. So let's drill down and see what happened to that relative pricing template when it became a concrete pricing plan. We tab over using the pricing plan tab, and we tab over again to look at the tiers. You'll notice that the number of tiers that we have in the concrete pricing plan differs from the number that we have inside the pricing template. This is part of the calculation of relative to absolute dates. There's a check mark here that says this is the currently active tier, and this is the only tier that will appear on our storefront. So our end users will only get to see the pricing the product is today, not the pricing it was yesterday or will be tomorrow. And you'll notice that we're in the middle of that sale period that I highlighted with the exception tier. Tabbing back to the product, we can look at the offer start and offer end date. The pricing template uses these dates as the lower and upper bounds of how to do its date calculations. If I look at the marketing and payment blade, you can see the use of product tags. In this case, I'm implying the product is suitable for the iPad, and also it should appear in the editor's picks section of my storefront. These are the payment types that I accept for the product, and my storefront accepts two types of payment types, credit card and add to my bill, and this product can be purchased using either. If I blade over to look at offer items, you can see the media, releases, or categories that I'm bundling into my Arthur product. In this case, just one media. The media represents the movie Arthur, and I'm not limiting it to any particular rendition. We also take the description, title, and some custom fields and put them into our search index so that storefronts can search not only products, but they can search certain attributes of media that are bundled into products. And finally, we'll take a look at images. You can create as many images you need to market your product successfully. By default, we'll seed the product images with the images that are on the media. And you provide each image with a placement tag. This is the hint to the storefront application of which image to place on which page or which user experience. In this case, this is the thumbnail if I have a Flash-based experience. Or this is the image if my product is designed to be in the hero banner of my homepage. That was just a brief introduction to the product data service and modeling products for sale with Inside MPX.
To find more information on the platform's video commerce solution, please see our documentation in our Technical Resource Center or contact your account manager. This concludes our video on video commerce. Thank you for watching.